Hey, what's up guys, what's up YouTube, and back with another vlog. And this is all thanks to Oggy F, and because of him I'm able to sort this issue out with my new helmet. So let's get to see what the vlog is. Now, if at all you have actually seen my videos, I have bought the HJC FG17. Now, how the FG17 is, it's a brilliant helmet. Only thing is, I've also installed the Senna, but one thing that I could not do is basically have a GoPro mount fitted on it. Now, in regards to the GoPro, it is very important for vlogging and I cannot do without it. So just imagine 2 weeks, it's been almost 3 weeks since I'm not using the camera on the helmet. Now this is one reason in which the shape of the helmet, the chin, I always prefer it to be on the chin. That is not very friendly with the curved mount. So I'll show you a curved mount. Just a moment. So this is the curve mount, okay, and this is what I use for the GoPro mounting. Now I've done all the possible things. Now there's a particular switch, there's a latch that comes onto here, which is the air vent latch. I'll show that to you. I tried even doing this, so cutting the mask and placing it so that it fits. The helmet is a little curved, so I will show you how it is. It's a little curved. I've actually spoiled 2 3M tapes. I've ordered them from Amazon and I spoiled one of them. Really frustrated. Then I went to Oggy F and contacted him, and he said I'm doing a video on this, and he has an HJC Venom helmet. To put a mount on that helmet is really tricky. Now he has come up with a video and I'm doing that. And I'm not trying to copy his video. Now I've also even done a lot of R&D also. If you see, I've even done this. You see this? I put extra tapes, cut it, whatnot I've done. Nothing works. The camera will fly off. It's not sturdy enough. So now you have to get the mount in the shape how the helmet is. Now how do you do that? Let's find out. Now, so doesn't this look like an art class? Yes. So what you need is sandpaper. You need your GoPro mount, flat or curved, anyone will do, and you need M-Seal fatafat. Okay, you need this. I've also got this M-Seal here, this also will do. Okay, you need Araldite clear. Okay, this I will tell you why you have to use this, and of course you need masking tape, scissor, a blade, a scale. Why a scale? I will tell you in some time. And you need the normal mounts, 3M tape. Now this is the VHB tape. This is very hard bound and this is automotive tape, so this is really tough to come off. Okay, now let's see. Now I've already done the procedure. I did not want to shoot and do it, but I'll explain how I've done it. First, I've put the masking tape in such a way that the folds and all are completely filled. There is no gap, so that there is complete bonding of the masking tape with the helmet. Now why masking tape is because I don't want the chin mount to stick on the helmet. This is high quality. I don't want this to get messed up. So that's why I've used this masking tape. Now I've also covered this. Remove your visor while doing this. I've actually removed my visor. Also I've covered the air vent. So now the air vent is going to be open throughout. So I don't mind that. Okay. Now what I've done is I have let this be at the side. I have used sandpaper. Now see how glossy this is. I've used sandpaper. Oggy have used a filer, but he has suggested sandpaper, so I've done that. I got a sandpaper for 10 bucks. I mean, you know, this 80 grade sandpaper. Just scrape this. So just scrape this. So if you actually scrape it, 1 minute, let me show you. Do you see how it becomes? Do you see those marks? I'll do that to you. You see that? It's no more shiny. Now why this is done is because the M seal will come in direct contact with this. Now you don't want a very smooth surface on this, so you need some rough surface so that it grips well, the M seal. Now the M seal will become hard nevertheless. Now what you need to do is use an M seal, divide it into two parts, equal parts, make it like a ball, okay, and fix it to the mount, fix it to this, okay. So it will become like this. So I'll just zoom in. You see that? The mount is on the M seal and I have pressed it really hard so that it comes in contact with the shape of the helmet. Now you see how it is. If you see, just zoom in. Yeah, now it's proper. You see that? There is no gaps. Fill the M seal here, so up as well. You see that? There's no gap at all. There's a slight gap here. Okay, so there's no gap at all. Nothing. And for ideally for a mount to stick on the helmet, 80% once it is stuck, it is good enough. So this is how I've done. So this is on the masking tape. Okay, now this is on the masking tape. You see that? Now this is also a part on the latch. The latch that is there, that also is there. So let's see what I do next. Now you have to wait for 30 minutes for this to harden and then I will take it off. Now this has got hard after I kept it for 40 minutes. So this has got hard. Second, yeah, it's got perfectly hard, and yes, now we will remove this along with the masking tape. So we have removed the mount along with the masking tape. So this is how it is, and it's pretty good. Now let's remove the tape. So this is our mount now. If you see, it's quite hard and it's taken the shape. So let's now use Araldite clear. Now what Araldite clear is, bond this with the mount more strong. So let's go and see how that works. So here you have the two mixes, like just like the M seal, you have two mixes. One is the white one, this is the hardener, and this is the resin. So you need to mix equal amounts of both for it to be more efficient. Now using a toothpick, we will mix both the amounts. I've put equal amounts of resin, that is Araldite. This is the hardener. This is the resin. So I'll be mixing it properly and I'll be applying it on this and on the sides. So let's see. So this is how it is. I've applied the Araldite on it. Now let's leave it to dry for 10 minutes. So this has got dried. Okay, so it's looking good. A little untidy, but then it's okay. That's the max that you can do. So make sure that you use a scale to have the edges a bit smoothened out. So if you see here, the edges are smoothened out. So I've just rebonded it with glue, and now it's smooth. Okay, now what I'm going to do is use this 3M tape. Okay, I'm going to fix it on this, and then this I'm going to fix it on the helmet. So see you in a while. So I have stuck the 3M tape on this, and now I'm going to stick it on the helmet. So here you go. I have stuck the mount on the helmet. I'll just focus. So if you see, no gaps. no gaps, nothing at all. Is there a gap here? No, nothing at all here. I will be putting a masking tape on this and will be pressing it really tight so that it adds equal pressure, and you're good to go. Just leave it for 12 hours, and I think I should use this tomorrow morning with the GoPro. So that's all for you guys, and if at all you have any comments, and also want to thank Oggy F for this. Actually he had released a video today, so I thought I'll just make this video for my channel as well so that my viewers also can see. And kudos to Oggy F, hats off to him, big thumbs up to him. I will be also leaving a link of his video in my description so that you can also check that as well. And yes, cheers to you all guys, and happy vlogging.